Well, welcome again. This is the first module for the first section. So in this first module, we'll be talking about the first module we'll be talking about how to get a free domain name, because one of the packages of this course is free domain name. You understand? Normally, if you are to get a free domain name, you are going to pay for it. But I'll give you a strategy. I'm going to teach you a strategy of how you're getting a free domain name. And perhaps when you get your clients, when you start getting your clients, just make sure you purchase a domain name with the money given to you by your clients, and as well you purchase a domain name related to the name of the company or the name of the client you are working with. Now, what's the domain name? Because we need to know what a domain name is before we start working out. Now, a domain name refers to the unique and memorable address that the user types into their web browser, you understand, to access a specific website. So it's a name given to a website, you understand, then the name you type into your web browser to access a specific website. For example, now an example of a website is www.amazon.com. This is a website. I get it now. This is a website. So in a sense that can you see that, in a sense that this is a website, but the domain name of this website is amazon.com. This is the domain name. The domain name is Amazon. This is the website. This is the website. This is the website. And this is the domain. What? Domain name. Domain name. The name given to this specific website is amazon.com, but the website is www.amazon.com. So now, in a sense that if we want to actually go to our web browser, let's go to our Chrome. Okay, let me move to the Chrome. Let's go to Chrome. This is Chrome. So now I want to access Amazon. The first thing I'm going to do, I want to access Amazon. First thing I'm going to do is to type Amazon. Sorry for about this. Type Amazon dot what? Amazon.com. Can you see that? So this is the domain name. This domain name is what we are going to use to access the website itself. So when you click on it, when you click on the domain name, it takes us directly to what? To Amazon. Like you can see now, this is Amazon. This is the website. This is the website itself. So you can now access it. You can click on it. You can do whatever thing you want to do. Oh, what's happening to my? Oh, I didn't on my data. What? My network is getting bad. If my network is back, so you can see, you can access the website. But what made us to access the website is this domain name. That's what I'm trying to say. The domain name, that amazon.com, is the domain gives us access to what? To the website. So that means we can actually not have a website without what? We can actually not have a website without what? A domain name. So the first thing we need for a website to be in place is for us to first have what? A domain name. So that's that. So that's why we saw that a domain name is a unique and memorable address. Okay. That's why we say a domain name is a unique and memorable address. Is a unique and memorable address that a user types into their web browser. I went to my web browser, that's Chrome. I typed the domain name to access the website itself, the specific website. Now, it serves as an online identification of the website, and it plays a crucial role in branding and establishing an online presence. Are you getting me now? So that's it. So choosing an appropriate domain name is important for creating a record easy accessible website. So when you are choosing your domain name, you must choose it according to what your client wants. For example, now maybe the name of your client, the name of your client's company is, let's say, I made like personally, I have a digital company called Digital Nexus. Yes, and so the name of the company is called Digital Nexus. So perhaps if you are to get a domain name um, for this company, you can just simply go and get your domain name and just say that digital nexus nexus.com. So and we have different dots. It can be .com, it can be .org, it can be .net, depending on what you are going to use and depending on what your client wants. So you ask your clients what if your client is interested in having any of these extensions. So that's very important. So you use the domain name just with the company's name, you understand, so that it will serve as what as an identification, online identification. Can you see the online identification of a website? You understand? So let's jump right into the practical aspect now, so we can get what we are saying. Free domain name, practical aspect. So meanwhile, in this training, what you are going to be doing specifically, you are going to be practical aspects now you're going to be I'm going to be teaching you how to get a free domain name, because normally you're supposed to purchase for domain name, but for your own practical and training, you are going to use a free domain name to build your website, so you can use it to practice until you get a client that you now start purchasing a domain name for your clients. Understand? You now start purchasing a domain name for your clients, and it's actually not made to very expensive. So that's it. Now let's dive into the practical aspect. Now the first thing we have here is go to freenom.com. So let's go to freenom.com. That is my Chrome. All right, freenom.com. freenom.com. So I'm here. So I've clicked on freenom.com. So okay, so I'm already at freenom.com. So I'm asked to find a new domain name. Can you see what I'm saying now? I'm asked to find what? A new domain name. So let me find a new domain name. Dave